I'm going to open my PJ mask and so surprised. See my PJ mask? Can I play now? I'm going to unbox it. Wow! This is the ring of Owlet. This is Catboy. See, this is Gecko. This is Owlet. See, this is Night Ninja. Ready, steady, go. I have unboxed my PJ Mask toys. Owlet, Catboy, Gecko. Now I'll tell you who all are they. See, this is red, so this is Owlet. And this is blue, and this is so Catboy. And this is Gecko. This is the color green. See, this is Owlet-Glider, green Owlet-Glider. For my toy box, it's supposed to be red. I have sticked the sticker. See, this is the sticker. I have changed the steering also. See, this is Gecko. See, this one? It's Catboy's steering. And this is supposed to be blue. I got but red. See, this is Gecko sense. It's supposed to be green, but they are paint blue. And this is Gecko. I have changed the steering also. And I got a paper. They're showing night in the city. I'm going to match the vehicles with the image. See, this is Owlet-Glider. And this is Gecko. And this is Gecko sense. See, this is Night Ninja. See, this is Owlet. See, she can move his face, she can move his hand, she can move his leg. I'm going to make her sit. Oops, she fell down. So let her lay down here. This is Gecko. He can move his face, he can move his hand, he can move his leg. I'm going to make Gecko also sit. Oops, Gecko fell down. So, let him also lay down. See, this is Catboy. He can move his face, he can move his hand, he can move his leg, he can move his tail. I'm going to make him also sit. How he's sitting? That's all about my PJ Mask toys. Owlet is going to say bye-bye. Owlet, say bye-bye. Gecko, say bye-bye. Catboy, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. If you like my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit